ice cold. Used eco-friendly light bulbs.
Rode his bicycle to work when the gasoline price rose. He'd judge with no pretense, fish on the weekends. Each morning get up, do the flip to the left. You never swim in the ocean for fear of shark attacks. By monthly get his wife a rose with a card attached, avoiding all the little things that were hard to ask. And a car crash, cardiac arrest, died of a heart attack. An escalator, all his friends and neighbors huddled there in prayer around the respirator.
Catch you later, I'm off to see the man upstairs. They all look like it's from here. Stores and crystal chandeliers.
There was an angel at the entrance, checking off a guest list. Charlie wasn't on it and was ushered to the exits. His heart sank, he was breathless. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused before. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I go to church on Sunday.